is Neha Seth from Dias Technologies Private Limited. Wish you a very happy new year to you and to your family. You all have been patronizing us for many years. By your support and cooperation, we have been able to produce top results in civil services examination year after year. This year, we have come up with many online options for you. That is, General Studies Foundation Pre-Cum Mains entire course in 8 modules with very concessional fees. We are starting our GS batch from 14th of January with GS Module 3. Constitution, Polity and Governance with renowned Vajpayee Sir and Dr. S.K. Jha. Today is the inauguration of our portal online.diasindia.com. From today onwards, our all online classes will start from a new portal. Now, I request our chairperson, Honorable Vajpayee Sir, to share new programs of DIAS in coming months.
Dear students, I am before you on the first day of New Year 2021. First of all, I wish you very happy New Year. I hope this year you are able to achieve your all targets in life. You are able to realize your all dreams of being successful in civil services examination. This year, for your benefit, we have come up with many programs online so that you can prepare the course sitting at your home. You need not have to come to Delhi and face so many problems. First program is our physics classes are going to commence from 1st January, that means today. All new admissions are done through our new portal, but the old students who have been enrolled with us, they will continue to be served as ever, but new admissions will be from our new portal. From 10th of January, we are coming up with the program on mathematics optional. There have been great demand. Students have been demanding from all over the country that we should come up with mathematics programs also online mode. We have been offering offline programs, but online there has been great demand. So we have thought that from 2021 we start our online mathematics classes also. So from 10th of January we are coming up with a entire course of mathematics with ordinary differential equations and vector module, first module, and then definitely we will be coming up also within a week time rigid dynamics module. Next course which we are coming up is a chemistry online program, new batch on our new portal from the 14th January. And as Neha told that we are coming up with our general strategy program also with a particular module on constitution, polity and governance, which is taught by me for the last 20 years along with my other esteemed faculty, Dr. S.K. Jha. Is a 50 class 100 hours course. If you happen to join our course, you will be able to appreciate the Constitution of India, how our polity functions and what kind of questions are asked in UPSC examination, proper way of answering those questions. Our emphasis and our focus will be on answer writing. I invite all of you to join our online programs and patronize us, our new portal, the same way you have been patronizing us from last 15 years. Thank you. Once again, I wish you a very happy New Year.
Now I request our chairperson, Honorable Vajpayee Sir, to inaugurate a new portal. Thank you, sir.